Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your quality better in CapCut. So you can follow my steps here. First, after you add the clip, you can go to adjust and you can follow my settings here. So increase the brightness, contrast, and saturations into 10. And also the brilliance. Lastly, click on the sharpen and increase it to 100. And after that, you are done. Click on the check icon and this is the good quality for your videos. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.